How can I take care of my health?
How to overcome this fear of uncertainty about my future?
Is there any simple meditation technique to calm my mind right now? What are some of the best things that I can do at the moment to find happiness and comfort?
If you find yourself getting overwhelmed by thoughts about this pandemic, reading the news again and again, just put your phone aside and spend some time writing your thoughts down in a journal. Journaling is a very good way to separate yourself from these thoughts and create some space in your mind. To keep your mind active, indulge yourself in something creative like painting, drawing, knitting, and stitching. Just find something fun and healthy to do and spend some time with it.
There are jobs being laid off right now. The economy is going downhill. How to deal with this fear of uncertainty about my future?
So what I would suggest that you try to practice what is known as mindfulness, or deep awareness of the present moment. So whatever is it that you're doing, whether you're working from home, you're reading a book, you're cooking, you're engaging in conversation, or you're probably pursuing some hobby at home, do it with very deep awareness. You can even do it while sipping a cup of tea. Bring your entire focus in the present moment. Try to live that way as much as possible. You can also check online and get support of some guided mindfulness meditations. Yoga is another great way to bring your awareness to the present moment, because your mind and soul are so involved in each posture of yoga. When you start practicing all this, you will see that the panic and the fear about the future starts melting. Because when the future comes, it will be again a present moment, and the solution to that problem or issue will lie there in that present moment.
How to take care of my health and avoid binge eating?
When it comes to binge eating and binging throughout the day, always remember that between your primal instinct of physical hunger and your will, always remember willpower will never win when it comes to hunger. So you need to make sure that your tummy is full with good quality food, and this can be done if you plan and coordinate those meals in advance so that you never crave for unhealthy junk food.
I'm generally a very chilled out person, but these days, sometimes I've started to feel anxious or depressed, feared about my loved ones being confined at home. Is there a way out that I can overcome this?
At the very basic level, we can take precautions and we can advise our loved ones, family members, friends, to take all the safeguard precautions, wear masks, practice social distancing, and everything else, washing hands, all this we can do. Then let's see what we can do with this beautiful time that the universe has gifted us. So when you start doing all this and focusing on this aspect that we can do, which is in our control, you will start feeling less helpless and more empowered.
Currently, most people are searching for meditation techniques amidst this pandemic. Well, for me, I've never done that before. So which is the easiest and most practical meditation technique that you can recommend at this point?
Well, a very quick and easy way to calm your mind and to relax is by using calming breathing techniques. One such tool is a double inhale followed by a long exhale. You probably already do this at the end of a long day or in the middle of a very emotional episode. You basically take one breath in, followed by another breath, and then do a long exhale. Now, ideally, you want to take the two breaths, your two inhales through the nose and then the exhale through the mouth. But if that is not working for you today, then you can breathe in through your mouth as well. It goes something like this. Inhale, inhale, and then I'll show it to you one more time. Try this and see if it helps.
Stay protected and remember to nourish your body with healthy food.
Find reasons to be thankful and happy.
Just find something fun and healthy to do and spend some time with it. And let's get through this pandemic together with a balanced mind, body, and soul. Namaste.